So you'd like to get rid of your E-stim, but you don't know what to do instead? Try this. We're gonna use a handheld dynamometer to measure force output of his quads and see what happens. So, go ahead. Go, 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 go. Good. So we start with 44 foot-pounds. Now, instead of using E-stim to help facilitate a contraction, I'm going to use the 180 system and see how fast we can increase force output without using a mechanical gimmick. So, we're gonna retest. Ready, go. Go, 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 go. Push, 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 push. Good. So we went from 44 to almost 53 in 10 seconds. If you'd like to throw away your E-stim and use something that is faster, more effective, and gets him off the table sooner and into the gym, DM me and I'll show you how to do this with all of your patients.